Alright, the final leaks are in, and they seem to be telling the whole story. Just when we thought things were quiet at DJI, the floodgates have burst open, and what's pouring out could completely change our expectations for a lightweight drone. This isn't just a small step up. You can forget what you thought you knew about the Mini series. We have the projected price, we have specs that look incredible, and we're seeing what might be the biggest leap forward for compact drones ever. The craziest part, leaked box art has shown off features we thought were only for drones twice the size and price. So, let's break down the stunning new camera and LiDAR features that are about to shake up the drone world. This is the DJI Mini 5 Pro. The camera was a true pro upgrade for years. The biggest trade-off with a mini drone was the camera. It was good, sometimes even great, but never truly pro. Well, that seems to be officially ending. The single biggest upgrade, suggested by numerous leaks including images of the drone's packaging, is the jump to a massive 1-inch CMOS sensor. The Mini 4 Pro's 1.3-inch sensor is impressive for its size, but a 1-inch sensor is in a totally different league. This is the same size sensor found in much larger drones like the Air series, and it's poised to totally transform image quality, dynamic range, and especially low light performance. Those grainy, noisy shots you'd get at dusk, they might just be a thing of the past. And it doesn't stop there. The leaks also point to this new sensor supporting 4K video at a silky smooth 120 frames per second. That's a nice bump from the Mini 4 Pro's 100 FPS and opens the door for some incredible, high-resolution slow motion. The leaks also show a high-quality 48mm medium telephoto mode, which is likely a lossless crop on that giant sensor, giving you more creative reach without flying closer to your subject. For all you content creators, it looks like DJI has you covered. The leaks show the return of true vertical shooting, but with a gimbal that can now rotate up to 225 degrees, giving you even more wild and creative camera movements. When you pair all that with features like night mode, HDR, and advanced noise reduction, you're not just getting a drone. You're getting a professional-level aerial camera that you can stuff in your pocket. Remember the collective shrug when the Mini 4 Pro felt like a baby step. The Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a giant leap. LiDAR and obstacle avoidance, the shocking new feature. Now, let's get to the one feature that almost nobody saw coming to the Mini series, LiDAR. Leaked renders and box art clearly show forward-facing LiDAR sensors, a technology that used to be exclusive to DJI's high-end Mavic and Air drones. This is a huge deal. LiDAR gives the drone a completely new set of eyes, using lasers to see the world. It's fantastic in low light and complex environments like dense forests or urban canyons where normal vision sensors can get confused. This should mean safer, more confident flying, even at night. This new LiDAR system seems to power what some leaks are calling nightscape omnidirectional obstacle sensing. While the LiDAR itself is forward-facing, it likely works with the drone's other vision sensors to create a comprehensive safety bubble around it. This advanced sensing is the secret sauce behind the smarter flight modes. We can expect things like Active Track 360, waypoint, and cruise control to get a major boost in reliability and precision. This drone won't just follow you, it'll intelligently navigate tricky environments in a way we've never seen from a drone this small. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a redefinition of what safety and smarts mean in the ultralight drone class. The amount of new technology packed into this little drone is just incredible, and we're only scratching the surface. If you want to stay on top of all the latest news, hands-on reviews, and comparisons the moment this drone is released, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. You won't want to miss what's coming. Price, release date, and that big question. So, let's tackle the two big questions. How much is this going to set you back? And when can you actually get one? Leaked retail info and analyst predictions are painting a pretty clear picture. The base model of the DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to land somewhere between $850 and $999 United States dollars. The more popular Fly More combo, which will probably come with the DJI RC2 controller with the screen, is projected to be around $1,200. This pricing puts the Mini 5 Pro comfortably above the Mini 4 Pro but just under the Air 3S, which makes sense given its seriously upgraded features. As for the release date, Initial rumors pointed to an early August launch, but more recent reports from credible sources suggest the official announcement has been pushed to September 2025. This delay might be due to some logistical juggling after DJI's other recent releases. But all of this brings us to one massive, lingering question. A defining feature of the Mini series has always been its sub-249-gram weight, which keeps it out of stricter regulations in many places. However, leaked images of the Mini 5 Pro box are curiously missing that less than 249 grams tech. With a bigger sensor, a bigger battery, and new LiDAR hardware, has the Mini 5 Pro finally crossed that weight limit? Some rumors suggest DJI might offer two different batteries, the lighter one to stay under the limit, and a larger one for more flight time. Speaking of which, the standard battery is rumored to deliver a solid 36 minutes of flight time, a small but crucial improvement when you're trying to nail the perfect shot. The US market and final implications before you get your credit card ready. There's one more thing to consider, especially if you're in the United States. DJI is facing ongoing regulatory pressure in the US, which could impact the availability of new products. There is a deadline of December 23, 2025, for a U.S. National Security Agency to complete a formal audit of DJI. If that doesn't happen, new DJI products could be automatically added to the FCC's covered list, which would effectively ban new models from being sold or imported. This uncertainty could make the Mini 5 Pro one of the most sought-after, and possibly hardest to get, drones of the year in the American market. So what does this all mean? The DJI Mini 5 Pro isn't just another update. It feels like a seismic shift. It's taking pro-level features once reserved for bigger, pricier drones and cramming them into an ultra-portable frame that may or may not be under 250 grams. The 1-inch sensor elevates the camera to a level that could genuinely be used for professional work. The addition of LiDAR brings a new layer of safety and autonomous flight that will give pilots more confidence than ever before. This drone is for the traveler who doesn't want to compromise on image quality. It's for the creator who needs a smart, reliable tool that can execute their vision. It's for the hobbyist who simply wants the best tech in the smallest package. DJI is essentially forcing its own higher-end drones to compete with the Mini. To sum it all up, the DJI Mini 5 Pro looks like it's everything we've been asking for, and then some. Based on the leaks, it has a pro-grade camera with a 1-inch sensor and 4K 120 FPS video. It has incredible new LiDAR-powered obstacle avoidance for better safety. And it has a price that, while a bit steep, seems justified by the tech inside. The only real question marks are its final weight and its availability in all markets. This is, without a doubt, shaping up to be the most exciting drone release of the year. It bridges the gap between portability and professional quality in a way nothing has before. It's powerful, it's smart, and it's about to change the game. Now I want to hear from you. Based on these final leaks, is the DJI Mini 5 Pro an instant buy? What's the one feature that has you the most excited? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you found this breakdown helpful, drop a like, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss our full hands-on review.